So now we are coming to the first car of the history from Porsche. So this one here is the 356 number 1 Roadster from 1948. Very nice illuminated. Loving this. Beautiful. So here we have the Porsche 356/2. Only 52 were made of these in 1948. 40 horsepower, can you imagine? Back then it has been still nice. Oh, beautiful car. And here black is beautiful. Porsche 356. It's the Coupé Ferdinand. It was built in 1950 for the 75th birthday of Ferdinand Porsche. Also really a beauty. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the interior. So nice. Here's a cut model of the Porsche Diesel Super. If I'm remembering right, this has been the second largest Porsche tractor. Originally it has been built by Allgeier, being the AP tractor. Then Porsche took over the company. Well, they already used Porsche technique, so it was a Porsche system. But well, then Porsche built them under their name and they were suddenly no more green but red. Absolutely stunning. Porsche Diesel. Really nice large tractor. And now you can also take a look to the engine. Huh? This here is a nice Porsche 356C Cabriolet, and you are noticing here Polizei, which means police. So this was actually a police car. So let's see from there. Well, 1964. These wheel caps were actually from the 356B, if I'm remembering right. Oh, beautiful. This is for sure something the Hot Wheels diecast collectors are happy to see. The Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. So I have the luck to see this one in real, not only in scale 1:64. It's a car from 1963. We see with 6 cylinders. Oh, beautiful Fuchs alloys. Absolutely a stunner. Well, now here another racing car from Porsche. This is 718 W-RS from 1961. And definitely a car used in races. Front end design is reminding about the car we have seen just before. Absolutely wonderful. And here also wonderful Porsche 550A. from 1957. 4-cylinder flat engine, 1.5 liters with amazing 135 horsepower. Absolutely amazing. And keep in mind, these cars have been really small. That's what she said. So it are lightweights. I believe it's the car that also was used by James Dean when he lost his life, unfortunately. But well, here's something newer. So Porsche 718. So, but this is not the Cayman and not the Boxer. This is the Spyder RS. Oh, take a look at this. These air vents, absolutely amazing. So 2023, 500 horsepower. And oh, nice, the Weissach RS trim. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And the difference about this and the Boxer is that here the thing is going up and then the rooftop is going down and will be no more visible. At the Boxer, I believe you are seeing the rooftop. Also, it's only a small part of it. Porsche 911 from 1967. 2.0 liter. Targa, in case I didn't mention it. So we have here the T-top, and this is something I've never seen before. So also you can open it at this one as well. Very interesting. Beautiful. Well, here's the first version of the F model or F Type from F series, from Porsche. This was back then still called 901 because, well, it was the first one of this body, but well, Peugeot had a little issue about the 0 in the middle in the model name, and so Porsche had to think about a different name, which then became the 911 instead. Oh, really a beauty. And so here we have the 911 2.0, the same car like Targa that we have seen before. But this is of course the Coupé. Also really a beauty. If you want to know how a Porsche 911 is looking like when it's already 10 years old, then here we go. This is a 2015 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS. 2015, can you believe that? It's really a timeless design by Porsche. But a car that is already 10 years old is still looking modern. Loving these bubble windows of these Targas. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And here's another Targa, Porsche 911 Targa 4S. This one is 5 years old, from 2020. The green machine. with a big reason to be in heaven, unfortunately. But I'm knowing he would laugh when I'm saying it's a tribute for him in green Targa. He would probably also love the car, but of course not the color. So stunning, absolutely stunning. So something for the diecast model car lovers. But this is not 911, this was something else. Because you can notice here it was actually kind of a saloon or sedan. You can see also the difference. A couple of years ago I was also seeing this prototype here in a light or pale green metallic paint, but I mean the real car, not the model. Some more model cars for you. Beautiful. I love cars, no matter what scale it is. Some racing history, Porsche 917. '69 Porsche 914S. Well, here in Stuttgart, Zuffenhausen, Porsche did actually assemble these, but only the ones with the 6-cylinder engine. So actually the raw body was already put together, so assembled in Osnabrück at Karmann, and then the engine came into the car over here in Stuttgart. But this only happened for the Porsche models, so 6 and the 8-cylinder, not the 4 cylinders.